Today, I'd like to show you how effortless it is to make panna cotta using the Itaberco Panna Cotta mix. Panna cotta translates to cooked cream and typically uses gelatin to set up thick enough so it can be unmolded if desired. This addition of gelatin can make panna cotta unavailable to people with certain dietary restrictions due to culture, diet, or belief. Panna cotta can also be difficult to flavor, often requiring additional steps like infusing the milk, cooling and straining it before reheating and adding the sugar and gelatin. Thankfully, the Itaberco Panna Cotta mix contains plant-based stabilizers and sweeteners, maximizing efficiency and making it a dessert option available to a broader clientele. Additionally, the Itaberco Panna Cotta mix can be flavored using any one of the Itaberco flavor compounds, creating versatility and flexibility for your dessert program. To start, place the heavy cream and whole milk in a heavy bottom saucepan. Heat the mixture until it just comes to the boil. Next, remove the mixture from the heat and add in the panna cotta mix, whisking until it has fully dissolved, about 30 seconds. Once the mix has fully dissolved, stir in your flavoring of choice if desired. While the mixture is still hot, pour your panna cotta into the serving vessels of your choice. Finally, place your panna cotta in the refrigerator and chill until it has set, which usually takes about 5 hours, but overnight is best. Once your panna cotta has set up, you can unmold it for presentation or top it with a sauce or topping of your choice. Store your finished Itaberco Panna Cotta in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Thick and flavorful panna cotta that's gelatin-free? Now that's an ingredient for a sweeter life.